What's going on, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are talking about another inspection camera. That's right, baby. Oiiwak or whatever. This company actually sent me this for free, so they told me to make a video on it. I'm gonna give my honest review on this. You know, they didn't pay me no cash, they just sent me the tool, which this is the third inspection camera video I've done on this channel. I love inspection cameras. I use them all the time. It makes quick work of something. And I like this one because it comes with a screen. One of my biggest complaints about this though is, I know it's made for plumbing and stuff, but when am I ever gonna use 50 foot of cord on a lawnmower or on a car? It's made for plumbing, and I'm pretty sure it works pretty good. It works waterproof. As a matter of fact, if you guys want, this one actually records video, and it comes with an 8 gigabyte SD card. Most of the time you gotta buy SD cards, and this one actually came with one. And it has no batteries, you recharge it. It comes with a recharging kit. As a matter of fact, let me check this box real quick and see what else it came with. So it does come with a charger. It is a Android charger, which isn't bad. It comes with a book. So this one, actually, let's turn it on, and it's just an on and off switch, pretty good. We'll go ahead and connect the camera. I'm wondering if I can use any USB camera into this and get a screen. Right now I got a blue screen, but that'd be pretty cool if I could just connect a shorter camera to it and still use the same features on it. So there you go, as you see, it's going. We'll look at you, look at the camera. This takes pictures, and it also, let's see what's in the settings on this. I haven't gone through it too much. So there is a resolution. This is 1980. Okay, like I said, over here, I'll play some quick videos on it, and you can see if you like the quality or not. There's a rotate, there's a zoom in, there's brightness, and it says I have 7.2 gigs left out of 8, so that's pretty good. I mean, 8 gigabytes on anything is going to be a lot, but on a camera that you're not going to be doing a whole lot of pictures and videos on, that is a hell of a lot. I do like the fact that it's not a button press like some inspection cameras. It's just a knob, so I can actually turn up and down the brightness pretty easy. But like I said, the screen is crystal clear. I mean, you could tell. Look at the quality. It is crystal clear. I don't know how good you guys could see it on the camera. And it only weighs, let's see here, let's turn on my scale here. The machine itself only weighs 6.2 ounces, while the camera cord weighs way overdone. Yeah, I won't even measure. I got this little tiny scale here. But yeah, this inspection camera is actually pretty good. I think you guys will like it. There's a link in the description if you guys want to check it out. And thank you to Oiiwak for sending it to me. Maybe one day I can use 50 foot of camera if I have a problem in my toilet or something, or my sink. And all cameras, they always come with a hook, a magnet, and a mirror. I used the mirror a little bit. Not as good as I like. The magnet's good because if you ever lose your magnet stick, you can just screw this onto the end of your... We'll go ahead and turn this off. We can screw it onto the edge of your camera and just use your camera as a magnet stick. Hey, you know what? And then if you're trying to get somewhere you can't see, you can actually look on the camera and like, there it is. Magnet onto it, grab it. So it does come in a cool little tube. All in all, it feels sturdy. It feels like it's not a cheap piece of material. The camera feels heavier. I like it. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys have a favorite inspection camera, this one is a pretty decent one. I have the phone one, and I have the one from Harbor Freight too, and I would have to say this is probably going to be my go-to one, just because it's quicker and easier, and it's easier to store this. And really all I need to do is do this and maneuver it like this, and then by pushing the record button, and then I could look at it later. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, if you enjoyed this product review and there's any other products you want, maybe let me know in the comments. I'll probably pick them up and take a look at them. If you're a company and you want to send me tools, shit, send them to me. I'll make a video on them. I'll try them out. I'll put them to the test. 4.3 inch screen. Thank you again. Have a good day.